Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you English grammar portion, and the first topic is the sentence. Okay. Now we will discuss about the sentence. What is sentence? You have to write its definition on your notebook. A group of words which makes a complete sense is called sentence. A sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. I repeat it again. A group of words which makes a complete sense is called sentence. A sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay? Note it down. Okay. How can we identify the sentence is correct or right? Sorry, right or wrong? For identify the sentence, we must have to know one thing. A sentence have always a subject and a verb. Okay? Like if I will say Ram is a good boy, this is a group of words and there is a meaning. Ram is a good boy. Ram एक अच्छा लड़का है. And there is also a subject and a verb. It means this is a sentence. Okay. Now we are going to the next topic, the classification of the sentences. Okay. We can classify the sentences in two ways. First, assertive and declarative, imperative, interrogative and exclamative. And the second, affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. Note down in your copy, and further we will discuss about this. Note it. Okay. Now I am going to erase it, and we will discuss about every kinds of sentence step by step. Then what is assertive and declarative sentences? A sentence which shows the affirm and denied is called assertive or declarative sentence. Declarative sentence, we can say a sentence which shows a statement are called assertive or declarative. For example, Ram goes to school. Ram goes to school. This is a affirm sentences. Okay. Now next, Ram don't go to school. It is a denied. There is a two kinds of sentences. Okay. Oh, sorry. Ram does not go to school. Ram does not go to school. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now our next topic is imperative sentences. Then what is imperative sentences? A sentence shows request, command, desire are called imperative sentences. It is many things. Okay. Like if I will say please move aside. This is a request. Okay. Now sit down. Order. Long live the king. Desire. So there are three kinds of sentences. Okay. There are three parts of the imperative sentences. First is request, order, command. Okay. Order and command are same things. Okay. So if the sentences so order, request and commands are called imperative sentences. That's it. Okay. Now the next topic is interrogative sentences. What is interrogative sentences? A sentences that ask a questions to you are called interrogative sentences. Okay, there is an interrogative marks like this. You can say question words. Okay, there is two kinds of interrogative sentences. First is yes and no type, and the second is WH type. Okay, then what is yes and no type and what is WH type? A question that you are able to give an answer in yes or no are called yes no types, and the question that you are unable to give an answer in yes or no, you have to give a detailed answer are called WH type. Okay, for example, do you like mango? Then what is your answer? You have to give an answer yes or no. You are able to give an answer in a only two words, yes or no. And the another hand, if I say, why do you like mango? Then what is your answer? Are you able to give an answer in a yes or no? No, you are unable to give an answer in a yes no. You have to give a detailed information. I don't like mango because mango is very sour, salty, yellow in color, many things. Okay. So because of that, there is a two kinds of interrogative sentences: yes no type and WH type. Most one thinks yes no type sentences always start with a helping verb or auxiliary verb, and WH type questions always start with the WH family. We will discuss about the WH family in our further classes. I mean, why WH? Because the question word always start. All question words have a WH. Like if I say what, which, everywhere we find WH. So we call them WH family. Okay. Now the next topic is exclamatory sentences. Then what is exclamatory sentences? What is exclamatory sentences? The sentences shows sudden feelings, sudden happiness, sudden sadness are called exclamatory sentences. What's happened when you win the match? You shouted, "Hooray! We will win the match." Okay. What's happened when you punished by your teacher and your parents? You feel sad. In English we call alas. Okay. So that kind of sentences are called exclamative sentences. Means the sudden feeling. Okay. In summer day when you come to the field, there are a lot of sunny days. You say, "Oh, what a sunny day!" Then there are also exclamatory sentences. What a sunny day. Okay. Alas, is no more. Hooray! We won the match. That kinds of sentences are called exclamative sentences. Means the sudden feeling. Okay. The most important thing is exclamatory sentence always have an exclamatory symbol like this. Okay. Clear? Now we go to the second kinds of classification of the sentences. In the second type, the first sentence is affirmative. What is affirmative sentence? A sentence which have not any negative verb and have not any question words are called affirmative sentences. In any kinds of sentence, if the sentence have not any kinds of negative word, not or never, or have not any question word or WH family are called affirmative sentences. Like I say, Ram is a good boy. These are affirmative sentences. I am a boy. He is very clever. All kinds of sentences are called affirmative sentences. The sentence have not any negative or interrogative word. Okay. Now next is negative. Then what is negative sentences? A sentence have a negative words if any sentence have a negative words called negative sentences. Negative word like not or never are called negative sentences. Okay, like Ram is not a good boy. Okay, and is not a good dancer. etc. Are the example are the negative sentences. Okay. Now next is again interrogative sentences. I will teach you. There are two kinds of yes, no, and WH. Okay. We will sorry. हमने इसके बारे में पीछे पढ़ा है, ठीक है? Now the next is interrogative and negative. Interrogative and negative. A sentence which have interrogative and negative words are called interrogative and negative sentences.